Imagine having your own private tiny home that can glide through traffic, park almost anywhere, and turn heads everywhere you go. No hotel bookings, no expensive RV parking stress, no complicated setup. Just you, the open road, and this unbelievable futuristic camper tricycle. Today, I'm showing you what might be the ultimate travel hack of the decade at first glance. It looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. That smooth, rounded body, the glossy metallic finish, the sleek curved windshield that wraps around the front like a spaceship cockpit. And then you notice it's a three-wheeler. Compact, stylish, surprisingly powerful. This isn't just transportation, it's freedom on three wheels. Now let's talk about why this is such a genius idea. Traditional RVs are massive. They're expensive. They drink fuel like crazy. And honestly, driving them can feel stressful, especially in cities or tight roads. But this futuristic camper changes everything. It's small enough to handle like a motorcycle, yet smartly designed to function like a mini home. That's the magic. Picture this. You wake up parked near a beach. You slide open the side door. Warm sunlight hits the wood-finished interior. There's a compact kitchenette right in front of you. A built-in sink, storage shelves, a cozy seat that converts into a bed. Everything placed with intention. Everything within arm's reach. This isn't about luxury in the traditional sense. It's about intelligent design. The exterior is aerodynamic and smooth, which means better efficiency and easier movement. The three-wheel configuration gives it balance while keeping it lightweight. The front has those futuristic LED lights that make it look like it's ready for the year 2050. It doesn't just drive, it arrives. And here's where it becomes the ultimate travel hack. Imagine road tripping without worrying about hotel costs. Imagine spontaneous travel where you don't need reservations. See a beautiful mountain? Park. See a lake? Stop. Need a nap? You already have a bed. Hungry? Your kitchenette is right there. It gives you the power of flexibility. Flexibility is everything in modern travel that we live in a time where people want freedom. Remote work is growing. Digital nomads are everywhere. People want experiences, not just vacations. This camper tricycle fits perfectly into that lifestyle. It's small enough for urban explorers, practical enough for minimalists, stylish enough for content creators. Let's talk about the interior design, because this is where it really surprises you. The warm wooden cabinetry creates a cozy vibe. It doesn't feel cold or mechanical. It feels like a tiny cabin on wheels. Soft ambient lighting under the shelves gives it a modern, premium touch. The seating area looks compact, but it's cleverly designed to convert into a comfortable sleeping space. Storage compartments are integrated smoothly, so nothing looks cluttered. Everything is minimal. Everything is efficient, and efficiency is the future. Fuel efficiency, space efficiency, time efficiency. Instead of towing a giant trailer or driving a bus-sized RV, you're moving smart. Parking becomes easy. City driving becomes possible. You're not limited to campgrounds. You can blend into urban environments. And let's be honest, it looks incredible. This is the kind of vehicle people stop and stare at. The kind that sparks conversations. The kind that makes strangers ask, "What is that?" And when you slide that door open and reveal a fully functional tiny home inside, that's when jaws drop. Now think about content creation potential. That if you're a YouTuber, vlogger, or traveler, this is a moving studio. Imagine filming sunrise coffee inside, nighttime city lights reflecting on the glossy exterior, cooking simple meals on the road, showing your audience what true mobile living feels like. It's not just transportation, it's a storytelling machine. But here's the deeper reason why this is the ultimate travel hack. That IT simplifies life. When space is limited, you only carry what matters. You travel lighter. You think differently. You become more intentional. Instead of packing for just in case, you pack for purpose. That mindset shift changes how you experience travel. That you're not rushing between destinations anymore. The journey becomes the destination. You stop for random scenic views. You work with the door open and fresh air flowing in. You sleep under different skies every week. There's something powerful about mobility combined with comfort. And let's not ignore the financial angle. Hotels add up quickly. Airbnbs add up quickly. Even traditional RVs come with heavy maintenance costs. A compact camper tricycle like this reduces fuel consumption, reduces parking challenges, and potentially lowers overall travel expenses. Over time, that's a massive advantage. Small size, big impact, that's the formula here. And maybe the biggest benefit? Accessibility. Not everyone feels confident driving a massive RV, but something this compact feels manageable, approachable, less intimidating. It lowers the barrier to entry for people who dream about van life but feel overwhelmed. This is like van life 2.0, smarter, sleeker, more urban-friendly. Imagine weekend getaways without planning stress. Imagine spontaneous midnight drives. Imagine parking near a scenic overlook and turning that cozy seat into your bed within seconds. No setup, no complicated unfolding mechanisms. Just simplicity that's powerful. And design-wise, the smooth curved exterior isn't just about aesthetics. It likely improves aerodynamics. Less drag means better efficiency. The three-wheel design reduces mechanical complexity compared to larger motorhomes. Its innovation in compact form.it represents a shift in how we think about travel. Instead of bigger and heavier, we go smaller and smarter. Instead of luxury defined by size, luxury becomes defined by freedom. The world is changing fast. Work is more remote. People crave experiences over possessions. And vehicles like this feel like a preview of what future travel might look like. Compact, efficient, stylish, and flexible. So here's the real question, that if you had something like this, where would you go first? Mountains, beach, city skyline, desert roads. Drop your dream destination in the comments because this futuristic camper isn't just a vehicle, it's an invitation. An invitation to move differently, travel smarter, live lighter. And if you enjoy discovering this ultimate travel hack, make sure you stick around because I've got even more insane tiny homes and futuristic builds coming your way. The future of travel might not be bigger, it might just be smaller, smarter, and rolling on three wheels.